Hello students, welcome to the Standard 2 Literature class. Dear students, kindly take out Chapter 7, Two Little Kittens. Two Little Kittens is a sweet little poem about two kittens who begin to fight over a small issue of food. In this poem, you may find many themes which end up causing many fights between brothers and sisters. Like most siblings, they end up discovering that making it up between themselves is more fruitful than quarreling forever. Students, now I am going to read this poem. All of you listen to me carefully. Two little kittens, one stormy night means very cold night, began to quarrel and then to fight. One had a mouse and other had none, and that's the way the quarrel began. I will have that mouse, said the biggest cat. You will have that mouse. We will see about that. I will have that mouse, said the eldest one. You shan't have the mouse, said the little one. I told you before, it was a stormy night when these two little kittens began to fight. The old woman seized her sweeping broom and swept the two little kittens right out of the room. The ground was covered with frost and snow, and the two little kittens had nowhere to go. So they laid them down on the mat at the door while the old woman finished sweeping the floor. Stormy means showing signs of a storm. Seized means clutched or snatched strongly. Frost means a thin layer of ice on the ground. Turn the page. See children, this is the picture. Two little kittens. Then they crept in as quiet as mice, all wet with the snow and cold as ice, for they found it was better that stormy night to lie down and sleep than to quarrel and fight. Students, you read this poem 2 times and learn the word meanings. Thank you.